Another exciting Louisiana Super Plant for the spring and summer of 2024 is porterweed, and there are several different types of porterweed. There is a blue porterweed that is actually native to central Florida, down into the tropics, the Caribbean, and into the Americas, Central America and South America. This is a wonderful pollinator plant. Very easy care, does best in full sun, and what's very interesting about it is that they have these beautiful spikes where flowers open on different days on those spikes, and the butterflies, pollinators, hummingbirds keep coming in and out and getting nectar from this plant because it's such a wonderful nectar source. There are other cultivars. There is a peach color, there is a purple color, and there are new colors coming out, but this is just a wonderful addition to the landscape. Now, these are tender perennials. If it is protected in the wintertime, they can survive. However, if not protected, you will need to replant in the following years. You can deadhead to encourage more blooms. A slow release fertilizer helps with that blooming, or you can use a liquid fertilizer a couple of times a year to help promote more and more flowers. But porterweed is the Louisiana Super Plant for spring and summer of 2024. For Get It Growing, I'm Heather Kirk-Ballard with the LSU AgCenter.